Morning. Welcome back, everyone. This is Tony from Everyday Stuff and Things, and we are back on the mountain. It is been raining here on and off. Winds are starting to pick up. Other than that, it's a beautiful day here in Nova Scotia, and we are on our way to see if we can get a Jeep Cherokee going. I think the fuel pump must be stuck on it from sitting all winter. Anyway, here's a shot of the Jeep, and belongs to Kenny. He's just warming up his backhoe to bring over, and I think we're going to be towing it with that. But when this thing's running, it sure is a beast. This thing will go anywhere. Had it out a few times last year mudding with it. The water was coming in the doors over the floor. So yeah. Just wanted to give you a quick video of it. I'd like to welcome everybody back. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking. And yeah, just wait for him to come over. And but look at the tires on this. I mean, those things are beefy. Maybe I'll get a chance to show you it later on after he gets it going again. I don't know if it'll be today or not, but it'll definitely be in another video coming up in the near future. Anyway, I'll leave you guys right there. So that'll do it for this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching.